A Helena district judge has overturned the convictions of two defendants in the 1994 murder case of Donna Meagher. The 20-page ruling was issued today. In her ruling, Judge Kathy Seeley affirms in no uncertain terms arguments by lawyers for Fred Lawrence and Paul Jenkins that new evidence in the case meets Montana's DNA exoneration statute. Seeley says no DNA in the case links Jenkins or Lawrence to the scene where Donna Meagher's body was found alongside Colorado Gulch Road. The judge says DNA does match David Nelson, known for violent kidnappings, robberies, and currently in prison for a Deer Lodge double homicide. Seeley also notes that admissions Nelson made to his nephew Fred are more consistent with the physical evidence from the crime scene. Based on the new evidence, the judge says there is clearly reasonable probability that a different outcome at trial could have been reached. The judge also makes two very interesting statements in her ruling. The new evidence, said Seeley, is generally inconsistent with the state's theory of the cases as presented at trial. The judge also notes the DNA and statements from Fred Nelson, quoting now, support the theory that David Nelson, a known killer, was involved in the robbery, kidnapping, and homicide of Donna Meagher, unquote. In overturning the convictions for robbery, aggravated kidnapping, and homicide, the judge has ordered that both Lawrence and Jenkins receive new trials. No new trial date has been set in this case. The judge has ordered that a bail hearing for Lawrence and Jenkins be scheduled as soon as possible. In a related note now, the Montana Innocence Project has been working to get the convictions of Jenkins and Lawrence overturned for years. In a statement released today through the project, Lawrence says, quote now, "I have been waiting for this moment for many, many years. I am very grateful for the amazing and dedicated work of the Montana Innocence Project. Their lawyers, experts, and investigators work tirelessly on my behalf," unquote. The organization thanked the work of the investigators, attorneys, and student volunteers who worked on this case, along with the Boise State Innocence Project, who provided testimony and analysis of the DNA evidence.